चुप रहो ना. Wow, it is looking wonderful, charming. And today we are celebrating what? We are celebrating what, guys? Uh, we are celebrating Sri Ram Bhagwan. He came from Ayodhya, I think so, on this day. So that is why we are celebrating here. And my mother is doing worship here. And happy today. Everyone, I can say everyone is happy. I will show you one by one. Now my mother, she's doing worship, and I'm recording. We are going. Here we are burning candle and we are decorating our roof. As you can see, there is my sister and I'm here. And right now it is night, you can see. All right, so you cannot see anything because it has night. But here I am decorating my roof because today came, Ram went to Ayodhya. Guys, you can see. लहरों को शांत देखकर ये ना समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं, कि लहरों को शांत देखकर ये ना समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं, जब भी उठेंगे तूफान बन के उठेंगे. Warm welcome to everyone on my YouTube channel, How to Speak in English Language. And guys, today this video is not a video for you. Today this video is not video for you. This video will gonna change your life. Yeah, I am really sorry. I am apologize to everyone. I have done little bit late to upload this video. But right now it has not too much late. You have to watch this video till the end, guys. Today I am going to feel motivation in you for learning English, for doing something great in your life. You know, I am here. I have opened my YouTube channel for not this purpose. I have opened YouTube channel when this thought came in my mind that I should open my YouTube channel. At that time I decided, and before that I had decided that when I will have YouTube channel, when I will have my own YouTube channel, I will help people, I will support just like me people. So today I am going to tell you something which is really very important. But before this, I want to tell you something. And please do with me just like this. I sure, I sure. Please speak with me, guys. Do and just like me. I sure I will do something great in my life. I know, I know every year, one year changes. But this year, I will change myself. Yes, this year, I will change myself. I will do something special. I will do something great. I will feel my parent proud. Dear me, dear me, I know something, someone are stopping you. But dear God, you are making me stronger. I sure I will do something great in my life. I know every year, one year changes, but this year I will change myself. And guys, like you are thinking that why I'm doing such kind of activity at the front of you. Let me tell you, guys, you have to do something big, fantastic, enormous in this 2025, because in this 2025, like you have to not waste your time. Time is really precious thing in this world, and if you waste, you are going to regret and repent in your life, whole life. So utilize the time from now onwards, like in a good way, and try to make every day is special, because I have studied from somewhere. Each and every day is special for you. Use this in a good way. If you use this in a good way, you are going to achieve something great in your life. So have a nice day, and thank you so much for